Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going even bigger. We're going to draw and color a very special number block. Number block 1000. Let's build him step by step. First, draw a big rectangle. This is the frame that will hold all the blocks. Now, draw 9 vertical lines inside the rectangle from top to bottom, spaced evenly. These 9 lines create 10 columns. Next, draw 9 horizontal lines across the rectangle, left to right, spaced evenly. These 9 lines create 10 rows. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 horizontal lines make 10 rows. Now we have 10 times 10 equals 100 big cells. Now, inside each big cell, we'll show the small internal grid details. Each big cell will visually show 3 mini vertical lines. Every time we complete 10 big cells across a row, that equals 100 blocks. Because 10 big cells times 10 is 100. We will verify these 100 markers as you draw. 100, 200, 300, all the way to 1,000 when we finish. Wow, 1,000 is going to be so big! That makes 10 rows. Now we have 100 big cells. Near the top center, draw the one big round eye. Inside it, add a pupil circle. Now, below the eye, draw a wide, friendly smile. Inside the mouth, draw the tongue, too. Add 1 curvy hand on each side of the body. At the very bottom, add 2 small curved legs so number block 1000 can stand tall. Finally, write 1000 on the badge area in the center. Excellent! The drawing is complete. Now we color. Pick up your black crayon. Carefully color the pupil inside the big eye. Fill the inside of the mouth with black so the tongue will pop later. Spell the color B-L-A-C-K, black. Can you point to something black near you? Show it to the camera. Now choose a dark red crayon. Color the eye outline and both hands and both feet with dark red. This makes his features bold. Spell it D-A-R-K-R-E-D, dark red. Give a wiggle and a count. Every time you color a hand, wiggle your own hand. How many hands does number block 1000 have? 1. So wiggle 1 time by his name. Now, for the big part, the whole body. Grab your red crayon and color every big cell carefully. This is a big job and will take time. Color row by row. Spell it loud, R-E-D, red. Let's count the first row of 10 big cells together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That completes 1 row, equals 100 blocks. Clap once for every 100 you finish. After the first row, clap. 1 clap. Keep going for each full row.
30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360, 390, 420, 450, 480, 510, 540, 570, 600, 630, 660, 690, 720, 750, 780, 810, 840, 870, 900, 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980, 990, 1000.
Finally, pick a dark pink crayon for the tongue. Carefully color it so it looks bright inside the black mouth. Spell P-I-N-K, pink. Amazing job! Today, you drew and colored number block 1000 and learned how big numbers are made of smaller groups. You practiced counting, spelling, and coloring. You saw how tens and 100s build up to 1000. 1000 is huge, and you made it! I'm proud to be built by you. See you next time for another big number block adventure. Give yourselves a big clap. Bye-bye, and keep building numbers.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.